I saw a follower right here. It was a very good perch. Very good. Hello. Speak English? Yeah? Oh, good, good. I can understand, I can speak. So you can ask everything. So basically I'm fishing for pike or perch or something. I don't know. Maybe Zander. Maybe. Yeah, like relax. I will release it anyway.
You don't have any food inside the...
Yeah, it is like a
this.
plastic.
Plastic, 塑料的。
Yeah, plastic and soft plastic base.
Smell or
No,
liquid inside?
without
什
smell.
么都没有，也没有诱饵，也没有什么香料什么东西的。
Yeah, action camera.
Action camera.
Action camera, and yeah, I just film it, and after that,
And then you have TikTok.
not TikTok, YouTube channel,
Okay.
YouTube channel.
YouTube blogger?
Yeah, I wish to. I just started this year, but I hope it will be something. I don't know. I will grow.
Yeah, the
I
fact,
hope.
right?
Yeah. So basically, I create this channel for English-speaking people, for
Foreigner.
like.
Foreigners
Yeah.
in Russia. No,
I'm in Belarus,
in Belarus.
and I film it for the whole world, not like Europe, America, and other countries.
Yeah.
This is the main idea of this channel. So I want to show them how beautiful is the Belarusian nature. I just started from here, and after that I will go to our small rivers, lakes, and other regions, other districts. My plan is cover all of the Belarus. In Belarus there are a lot of beautiful small rivers and lakes with their crystal water.
We heard Belarus has 10,000 rivers. That's
Yeah.
More than 10,000 lakes.
lakes.
Yes. Yeah.
The river, the water comes from either the mountain.
We
ice,
we
snow.
don't have mountains.
Okay, then maybe it come from
Yeah.
underground.
Right. Underground.
Okay.
From underground.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Most of the rivers just started from underground, and after that, they just get more water from other springs.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Springs. That's why they are very clear
Canyon.
and very cold.
Oh, really?
Yeah, very cold. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. See you. What is that? It is a perch. Look at this. Come on. Let's go. Oh, buddy. Sorry. Sorry, buddy. Ah. Beautiful perch. See you, buddy. He's fine. Holy! It's a Zander. It's a Zander. Holy moly. It's a Zander. Come here, please. Please. Wait. Please. Guys. Can you see it? Buddy, wait a second. Nice little Zander. Buddy, give me that. Okay. It's a Zander. See you, buddy. Okay, let's go. He's fine, absolutely fine. Nice. I caught Zander. I have less than an hour of fishing. I'm not sure that it is enough. Definitely I will try. One more Zander. Really small one. But it's okay. I'll take it. Oh shit. Okay. Really small one. See you, buddy. What a strike. It was like a bam. My heart beat.